Good morning, boys and girls. Yes, it is the virtual field trip, Washington, D.C. I'm so excited to learn more about Washington, D.C. Miss Dixon has already been there 3 times. I'm so lucky I got to go there 3 times in the last 15 years. But I'm super excited to still do this field trip because I'm always learning new things about Washington, D.C. I'm going to go through this presentation very quickly, and then you're going to have time to explore. Now, I'd like you to all explore this today at least 60 minutes. Now, some of you are going to need a little bit more time than 60 minutes. Some of you are going to be so excited about it that maybe you'll want to spend 3 hours, 180 minutes. So maybe you'll want to do some in the morning and some in the afternoon. Your teacher, after this presentation, is going to tell you how she would like you to share the information about what you learned. Here's the table of contents. You may, as a group with your teacher, you're going to talk about what you already know about the United States. Your teacher can decide how you'll discuss that, and she'll pause the video. Welcome back. We are going to explore Washington, D.C. You can watch the video and answer the questions based on the facts that you learn. And as we know, good people taking notes and answering questions usually read the questions first, then they watch the video, or then they do the reading. So you're going to find out, well, I actually already answered it for you. What is the District of Columbia? What can be found in Washington, D.C.? Why does the government of our nation have its own land? What 2 states is Washington, D.C. between? Here is a passport. You will earn stickers, and you can cut and paste those stickers onto this passport. Then here is a map that you can click on and explore the different things that are in Washington, D.C. Then, oh, this is one of my favorites. What is inside the White House? Watch the video about the White House. Then answer these questions. Oh, you're going to know so much about the White House. And if you haven't gone there already, you're definitely going to want to go there someday. Inside the White House. So you're going to click the photograph to go on a 3D tour of the White House. And you're going to be able to explore the Washington Monument. Make sure you click here and you'll see the Washington Monument. Then you're going to learn a little bit about George Washington, and you're going to choose a character trait, something that describes who he was from the video. Here is the Lincoln Memorial and a little bit of information about that. Abraham Lincoln. Watch the video about Abraham Lincoln and describe a little bit about him. You're going to do some more exploring of the state capitol. And here is the scavenger hunt. So you can click the photograph to see the interactive map of the United States Capitol grounds. Hunt for the answers to the clues. Here are all of the answers. And inside here, you're going to find clues to answer these questions. Oh, this is super cool. This is how they make money. Here is a little bit about the river and the tidal basin and a travel journal. You can write about what you saw in Washington, D.C. Make sure to include what you learned, your favorite part of the trip, and what you would like to learn more about. And if you really liked this virtual field trip, Maybe we'll do another one. You need to let us know if you would like to do another one. So here are all the different choices. And remember, you're going to spend at least 60 minutes on this, but feel free to spend even more time. Your teacher will give you directions. Have a good time exploring Washington, D.C.